is also Best in EPP and Best in Copy. O, sino ba maglalagay ng medal ni Stephanie? Akit lang po kayo. Mayroon pang dalawa. Special award is also awarded to Bermuda Princess Stephanie P. Second placer during the District Mafe Festival Folk Dance Competition. Siya, wala pa naupos. Siya ay batang makulungin. At siya ay batang masigasig. Once again,